Hello, I'm Pedro from 𝗧𝗜𝗚, and we are at ISC 2026 with an amazing booth and with amazing products. Right by my side is one of our special products. It's Style Pro, and it is a very nice 55-inch product display that can be placed as a table and as a wall. So you can just tile how many tiles that you want. You can tile tiles, so that's the tricky part of it, as you want, and it can be used as a display for video walls and also to write. So depending on the software, and right now we have an amazing software by Multitaction, depending on the software, you can just write some notes on a meeting, for example, perfect for collaboration, and as you can see, the pen connects directly with the unit. It's a battery-free pen, so you don't need to charge it. The other amazing thing is that it can handles up to 100 touches at the same time, and you can even use different units to control the touch. And you don't lose the touch even on the bezel. And also a nice thing to say about Style Pro is that the bezel has only 2 millimeters. So if you want to learn more about Style Pro and 𝗧𝗜𝗄𝗃, go to 𝗧𝗜𝗃.com.